Hello, good morning friends. Today we will be doing the diagrammatic skills, how to draw digestive system in an easy way. It consists of the alimentary canal with the 9 parts, the muscular tube starting from mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, small intestine, appendix, large intestine and anus, with the digestive glands of salivary glands, gastric glands, liver, pancreas and intestinal glands, all the 5 glands and the 9 parts. How to draw it in an easy way? We'll start. Here is a typical sheet of your notebook, ruled sheets of 1 to 23. I have just numbered. So we'll start with the diagram by making use of simple sevens. That is 7 and so many curves. C. So with this, how to draw it? Okay. I'll start with the 7. 1 7 I am starting from. Here I am making a 7 and I am making a parallel line of another 7 up to 4. So I am making 2 sevens and making a T junction in this region, and I am starting it down. This T junction I am extending up to 11th column. Then I am making a balloon like C. Here also making a balloon like structure and making it a U-turn up to here. So then I am making only the curvature of one line gap with small reverse C's, 3, 4, 5. Leaving one line, I am making another line, 1, 2, 3, 4 curvatures. Down also I am leaving one line space. I am making the curvature, and at the end of I am making another curvature up to here. You can see the C-like curvatures. Again here I am making the next side, parallel side, with the projection of appendix here and starting with the leading to the small intestine. So from here this line of duodenum is going down and continuing as a extended form of small intestine. So you can make the double layered arrangement of the small intestine, highly coiled structure, and finally your digestive system is ready. So just started with the 7, outside 7, you can carry on up to here 11, another 7 straight from here, and one more 7 from here to here, and then making the final touching of the first 7. Here will be the nose part leading to the mouth and leading to the neck part. So this anterior part is over. Now remaining is the digestive glands. So labeling this part. So starting from this one will be the alimentary canal, starting from mouth, leading to pharynx. This region is pharynx, 2 pharynx. 3 is the esophagus, which will be having the baby-like movement. Then there will be the stomach. Then the duodenum. The 5th one is duodenum here. And 6th one small intestine. 7th one is the appendix. 8th one is the large intestine, leading to the opening out by anus. 9th one. So all the pipeline system of muscular tube we have done. Now to draw the glands. So salivary glands will be available in the lateral side of the mouth. You can see here the salivary glands. Parotid glands will be there. So it will be directly secreting the saliva into the mouth, buccal digestion. Next we will be coming to the digestive gland liver. You can make a liver here. It is having a small opening, the gallbladder, and which will be having the connection with the bile duct and pancreatic duct. So after reaching here, it will be having another junctioning of the second line of the pipeline system. The another important gland is pancreas is coming and joining here, commonly having a common opening of the duodenal region. So this common duct is very important. That is called a hepatopancreatic duct. Hepatopancreatic duct, which will be opening at the duodenal region. So you can make the pancreas by coloring out yellowish or making a bunch of grapes attached to the below the stomach. So these are the digestive glands, and then inside the intestine there will be intestinal glands. Automatically it will be secreting the intestinal juice. So this is the digestive system in simple easy way of drawing. You can draw this by practicing it in a proper way with the aligned labeling. either on left side or right side, you can make it happen. So this is how you can practice it. Hope this will help you in the long run. Thank you for watching.